Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. I said this week would be a very exciting week, and already today we had a lot of drama. We started today very low, but we end up positive day. Anyways, we're gonna check the weather on Google, Netflix, Waste Management, and we're gonna map out Walmart. And also we're gonna get a quick update on SPX. And let's start on that real quick. Yesterday, I thought this would hold as a support line for our next leg up for this trend up. But today we started rough and we started way down there. Not quite at the red trend line like I thought, but if you look closely, we use gap 1 to bounce back up. So in my book, that's usually a signal to tell me that, hey, this downtrend is quite possibly not over yet. So if we do a full recovery from here on out, I expect another 4 to 5% to the upside, most likely just 4%. And then we'll probably start heading back down again. And that will happen in the next 2 weeks or so. Again, I'm speculating, but in my opinion, it's very likely. Let's move on to Google. Alright, as you can see, Google is still on a level 4 downtrend, and we are using this white trend line as support currently, but if we were to go further down, we have about 5% to the downside. I think this should hold as a good support line because this white trend line is from 2020 crash at a level 2. And we've been using this as support for a while now, so I think it should hold for a little bit. But if those tariffs continue to get a lot worse, well, who knows what the market will do, right? Anyways, let's move on to Netflix. Alright, just like I feared, Netflix got rejected by gap 2 at a level 1, and now we have another probably 5% to the downside. I don't think this downtrend we're currently on is over yet, so we might use this purple trend line as a support again, or we might pass through it and use gap 1 or 2 to the downside as support. You know, all these 3 lines can be used as support down there. Depends on how bad it gets. Let's take a quick uptrend measurement. We still haven't touched the level 1 of this uptrend, so we're looking good so far. It's not too bad. We might still recover from here. Let's move on to Walmart. This is hilarious. I thought we were gonna go straight up as a recovery, but we've been trading sideways, and we've been using this white trend line from 2015 at a level 5 as support. And to me, it's absolutely hilarious because it's as if they're not even trying to hide it. It's like perfectly lined up. Awesome. So if we recover from here, we still got another 10% to the upside. I actually might buy some Walmart stock tomorrow. I should do that. Looking good so far. I like it. If the whales are doing it, that means I should do it too, right? Alright, now let's move on to Waste Management. What I like about Waste Management stock is that there's not a whole lot of competition. Not many people want to get into the waste management business, so there are very few, and if you bet on the couple that there are, you're pretty much guaranteed to win. So it's an easy money type deal because think about it, people will always create waste and somebody got to pick it up and throw it away, right? And guess what? That's pretty much it. Super simple business model and with guarantee 100% demand at all time. Yeah, stocks like these are guaranteed money printers, and I've been looking at this stock since 2020 and I kind of regret not buying. I really do, but I don't like spreading my money too thin on too many things, so I'm just gonna wait for buying opportunity on this. So that's why I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Alright, we're gonna take measurement from 2009 and the crash of 2020. That should be more than enough. And just for the hell of it, let's take a measurement from 2023. Alright, it seems to be holding quite nicely, but in my opinion, I don't see much buying opportunity just yet. If you're an investor, it looks great, you can always buy it anytime, but to me, until we hit this lower part of this white uptrend, I don't think it's worth buying. So I'm gonna wait until it drops pretty much 13% before I trade it. Anyways, I wish you guys good luck. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.